We are delighted now to welcome the singing and writing talents of two young men from North Wales, Dilwyn Roberts and Gari Williams. Dilwyn wrote this song. It's called Look at That Child. And it's arranged, in fact, by the man who's got the baton. Is that right? Yes, Wayne Warlow. He's arranged it. And this young man wrote the song because a friend of his had just had a little baby, and he was so overcome by the beauty of this baby. Dilwyn's in the audience. It's a lovely number, Dilwyn. Thank you very much. And I think you'll really love it when you hear it sung now by Gari Williams.
Look at that child, though he's only 2 days old. Look at his hands, hands that quickly learn to hold. Look at his eyes, eyes that recognize his dad. He knows his dad. Listen, he cries. Hear his voice is growing strong. Listen, he laughs. Seems to know where he belongs. Listen, he speaks, speaking volumes to his dad. He knows his dad. Sleeping in his cradle, safe and warm. Everybody smiles to see him yawn. With pride the family gather round. He smiles and no one makes a sound. Nothing stirs his peaceful night. Soon he'll see the morning light. The dawn will see his journey start. May God's love be in his heart. Look at that child, though he's only 2 days old. Look at his hands, hands that quickly learn to hold. Look at his eyes, eyes that recognize his dad. He knows his dad. He knows his dad. He knows